SafePro's AI-powered ecosystem of advanced computer vision software applications and tools are highly specialized for rapidly analyzing, detecting, and mapping objects of interest in drone-based imagery, supporting aerial and ground-based operations. Powered by SafePro's patented Spot-D technology, the system uses AI and machine learning algorithms trained on one of the world's largest real-world drone-based imagery datasets to instantly detect and map small, hard-to-find threats. This includes landmines, cluster munitions, UXO, and ambush drones. The platform can identify more than 150 types of explosive threats and objects of interest across large-scale, high-risk environments, flexibly providing enhanced situational awareness for ground personnel and a wide array of mission types. Additional use cases include terrain shaping, layer protection, maneuverability, UGV route planning, as well as foreign object detection to ensure airfields are operationally safe. Drone-based explosive threat mapping is paving the way for enhanced force protection against new threats from ambush drones and drones emplacing mines. SafePro is delivering real-world results directly from the battlefield to protect those who protect us all. For more information on SafePro Group and its AI technology and capabilities, please visit www.safeprogroup.com.